let us compare superbikes of the year 2020, Emflux 1 and Harley Davidson's Lithium wire. The motor, liquid-cooled 3-phase AC induction motor is used in Emflux 1. Water-cooled internal permanent magnet synchronous motor is used in live wire. But the motor power is 60 kW in Emflux 1, whereas 78 kW in live wire. The maximum torque 84 Nm in Emflux 1, whereas 157 Nm in live wire. The top speed of Emflux 1 is 200 km per hour. The top speed of live wire is 178 km per hour. The pickup, the performance of Emflux 1, 0 to 100 km per hour, it will take 3 seconds, whereas live wire takes only 3 seconds to reach 100 km per hour. The curb weight of Emflux 1 is 169 kg. The curb weight of live wire is 250 kg. The transmission system used in Emflux 1 is direct chain drive, whereas in live wire, clutchless single speed belt drive is used. The battery used in Emflux 1 is liquid-cooled lithium-ion battery pack with high power Samsung cells. Harley Davidson live wire uses lithium-ion battery with high power Samsung cells. The battery capacity of Emflux 1 is 9.7 kWh. The live wire has a battery capacity of 15.5 kWh. The range mileage of Emflux 1 per single charge is 200 km, whereas 235 km will be expected for live wire. The charging time to reach 80% of charge, Emflux 1 takes 36 minutes, whereas live wire takes 40 minutes. For full charge it takes 1 hour. The chassis frame used in Emflux 1 is tubular steel trellis frame, whereas live wire the data is not available. The suspension system in Emflux 1 is front upside down forks, and in rear mono gas shock absorber is used. In live wire, the front suspension is inverted separate function forks, and in rear balance free rear cushion light. The brake system used in Emflux 1, in the front it has dual disc and in rear it has single disc, whereas in Harley Davidson live wire, front and rear has disc brakes. The safety features when we consider Emflux 1 has dual channel anti-lock braking system. In advanced live wire 2020, cornering enhanced anti-lock braking system is installed. Also, cornering enhanced traction control system is installed in live wire. Emflux 1 has a good display, 7-inch digital touch screen. The Harley Davidson live wire has 4.3-inch full color liquid crystal TFT touchscreen display. The lighting system in Emflux 1 and the Harley Davidson live wire all LEDs. Emflux 1 has front dual and rear single camera. Harley Davidson has no perfect muscular looking Emflux 1. Cost is 5.5 lakhs Indian rupees, whereas Harley Davidson live wire is expected to be the cost of 22 lakhs. Thank you.